Welcome to Droodon, guys. If you are new, hit subscribe for motivation. What I have prepared in this video for you. I will tell you 6 tips to become a fast and cool programmer. In this video, we have 6 tips here as table of contents, such as first we have WSL installation that is used for Linux, Chocolatey, Auto Hotkeys, and Ditto and Advanced Clipboard Manager, and more on number 5 and 6. Hit like and subscribe.
Let's go.
Open your Firefox or any other browser. Write WSL2 on your browser. Tip 1. Windows subsystem for Linux WSL2 Powerhouse. Install WSL2 and run full Linux distributions directly on Windows. No need for a virtual machine. This tool is perfect for developers who want to run Linux native tools, test scripts, or build cross-platform projects, all seamlessly integrated without rebooting. As you can see the link here, you need to simply copy it and then go to Desktop and PowerShell and paste the command there and hit enter when dialog box appears. Click OK, and now your machine can run Linux. Write Chocolatey on search as our second tip. Tip number 2, Chocolatey Windows Package Manager. Hate installing software manually? Enter Chocolatey command on PowerShell, the package manager for Windows. With one simple command, you can install development tools like Node.js, Python, or even your favorite productivity apps, keeping everything up to date effortlessly. You can install Chocolatey in many ways that are listed here on this installation page of Chocolatey software, but you need to just simply copy command and paste it on your PowerShell. And finish. I am not showing installation because you can install it. If you are liking the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon and comment more. It will be thankful. Write Auto Hotkey on search as our third tip. Tip number 3, Auto Hotkey for custom scripts and automation. Boost your productivity with Auto Hotkey. This tool lets you create custom scripts that automate keyboard shortcuts, mouse movements, and app-specific actions. Create macros that save you hours by eliminating repetitive tasks that take too much time. You can check this page for use guidance or how you can manage hotkeys. Here is a notepad example here, like you click Control N, it will open Notepad. There are 2 ways to install it. You can directly download it from main page, or you can download it from the download page as an exe file on your machine. Write Ditto on search as our 4th tip. Tip number 4, Advanced Clipboard Management with Ditto. If you are tired of losing copied content, Ditto has your back. It's an advanced clipboard manager that saves and organizes your clipboard history. Quickly retrieve old code snippets, text, and files. No more copy-paste mishaps. This will make your work faster. You can install Ditto on Microsoft App Store, or you can download on Ditto main download page. Please like the video if it's helpful for you on any way. Tip number 5, Symlinks, or you can say symbolic links for smart directory management. Manage project files smartly with symbolic links. Symlinks let you create flexible paths for files or directories, redirecting them across drives using the mklink command. It is totally ideal for keeping large projects organized. It keeps you less frustrated. Last one, we have STL. Please like the video, it motivates me. Tip number 6, SICE internals. Suite for deep system monitoring. Take your system monitoring to the next level with the SICE internal suite by Microsoft. Tools like Process Explorer and Auto Runs give you deep insights into processes, threads, and performance issues, perfect for debugging and optimizing system health. You can easily download with link give on this blog page.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.